I know you are struggling to make money. You need some extra income to support your family. But nothing seems to be working. Everything is so hard and you don't know where to start. In today's video, let's turn everything around. I will help you to make between $50 to $500, and guess what? Even if you have no skill, you can still do it. No investment is needed and it is available all over the world. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon for the daily updates of the videos. And make sure you click on the link below to download my free course to make money online and dominate the Fiverr marketplace. Today's video, I want to talk about Fiverr affiliate. Very few people is talking about becoming a Fiverr affiliate. It is a very lucrative opportunity, and in this video, I will show you how you can become a Fiverr affiliate, how I'm doing very well being a Fiverr affiliate. I just created an account as a Fiverr affiliate. I'm not selling any gig, I'm not providing any services anymore. I'm just a Fiverr affiliate and doing very well. Now I know that I start making money as a Fiverr affiliate. Now I can scale this baby up. Before I go to how actually you can create a Fiverr affiliate account and how you can make money with it, let me just go to my dashboard. In a couple of days I just created that account, and look at that, I already made $70 commission as a Fiverr affiliate. We're not gonna go to fiverr.com and start creating any gigs. We are not selling anything here. We are not providing any service. Instead, you're gonna go to fiverr.com and you will be scrolling all the way down on Fiverr website and you will be clicking on becoming affiliates. Once you click on here, you're gonna end up on this page. From here, all you need to do is simply click on join now and just fill out the necessary information. Pretty self-explanatory. You have to fill out your email address, you have to put down your password, and that's all. There is no waiting time. You will become a Fiverr affiliate instantly. Now, once you become Fiverr affiliate, let's talk about the commission plan first. Fiverr actually offers two kinds of commission plan. If I just scroll it down, Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. On Fiverr CPA, you can make up to between $15 to $150, a dynamic CPA depending on what service you first time buyer purchase. It means what kind of category we are selling our services to. So let's talk about that. How do we know that we're gonna make $15 or $150 from our each sale? So if I scroll it down right here, Fiverr CPA commission, we offer different commission between 15 to 150 depending on what category your buyer purchases. Let's say if you send your buyer to the Fiverr Pro services, I'm gonna show you the Fiverr Pro services in a second, then each time any buyers will purchase through your link, you're going to make $150. How cool is that? Just imagine if you send 10 buyers in 1 month, how much money you guys can make it. So let's go to the Fiverr Pro service. Okay, let's talk about the Fiverr Pro services. What are the Pro services? First of all, the Fiverr Pro, as you can see what Fiverr has mentioned, work with verified exceptional talent, hand-weighted for stellar quality and service. Fiverr already know, they have already experienced their talent and their work and exceptional feedback they are getting from their buyer, so they are hand-weighted from Fiverr, so that's why they give them the Fiverr Pro seller. Their prices are way more as compared to the any other seller who are selling on Fiverr. So if I scroll it down, you see these are the Fiverr Pro sellers, and you can see their prices are $900, $495, $425, $100. So in order to make $150, all the Fiverr Pro services, you're going to send people to Fiverr Pro services. If they happen to buy from these sellers, from these vendors, you are going to make $150 each sale you are going to make. This is what exactly in Fiverr Pro services category. Then it's a $50. These are the different categories like industrial and product design, data science, mobile apps, and e-commerce development. If you're going to send people to these categories and someone will buy through your link, you're going to make $50. Since these are not the pro services, then it's going to come to $40. If you're going to send someone to website builder, lyric music, web programming, data processing, architectural and interior design, and if you scroll it down, game development and website technology, you are going to make $40 each time someone is going to buy through your link inside these categories. And exactly at the same time, you're gonna go down and you could see the e-commerce product videos, 3D product animation, logo maker. You can click on any of these links and what kind of services these sellers are actually selling. If you have an audience who happen to buy e-commerce product videos, sell them these services, okay, with your affiliate link, and you happen to make $30 from each sale. But try to sell most of these people, because the Fiverr Pro services are offering inside every category. So all these rest of the categories, of course, they charge less money, but make sure try to send your audience trying to sell your affiliate link to all pro services, so you can make $150 each time you are going to sell any service. and now $50 for the all other categories. This is what exactly the Fiverr CPA will work. I want you to imagine if you just make one sale a day for $150, you could make up to $4,500 in a month. This is crazy. Talk about the Fiverr Pro services. In programming and tech pro services, a lot of people are having issue to fix their WordPress website. People have no idea how to create even a simple or beautiful looking WordPress website, let alone fixing their issues if they got any. So many people have so many issues with their WordPress website. If you send these buyers to these pro services, I will fix WordPress website, I do WordPress customization, you could make for each sale, even though he's charging for his basic package $100, for each sale you're going to send to this guy, you are going to make $150. How crazy is that? You're helping people, you're solving their problem, and you're making $150 for each sale. The Fiverr second commission method is Fiverr Hybrid. In Fiverr Hybrid, what's going to happen, doesn't matter what kind of services you're going to sell to your buyer. If they're going to buy through your link, you're going to make $10 upfront right away as compared to $150 by using Fiverr CPA. But for the next week, next month, or full next year, if the buyer happen to buy more services on Fiverr, you're going to get 10% revenue share as well. If you ask me, I really don't like this method as compared to the Fiverr CPA. If you ask me, I like Fiverr CPA method. You can make $150 upfront right away. There is more money to be made, and you don't have to be mercy on the buyer that you are just getting here $10 CPA, but after that, who knows if for next month buyer buys from Fiverr any other services or not. So we will be on the mercy of buyers, so we don't want to be in that position. So if you ask me, I will urge you to go for Fiverr CPA, make $150 commission each sale you're going to refer to the buyer, and make insane amount of money. Most demand pro service on Fiverr, if I'm talking about Fiverr Pro services, the most demand pro service is logo design. Lots of people is making crazy money by providing this service, but they are really an expert. So what you can do that if you have a website, that you can simply embed the code from the Fiverr affiliate program and add it onto your website. So even handful of people will go to your website and they happen to click on these ads and they made a purchase, you're going to make $150 for doing practically nothing. Let me show you. I have a website with the name of easysimplesystem.com. As you can see that on my homepage, on the right hand side, as you can see the recommended services, I have added that widget. Explore more services on Fiverr. So these are the ads. If someone click on any of these images, gigs, and they buy one of these gigs, I will make $150 each time they will buy it. So if I go back to my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, you're going to become an instant Fiverr affiliate as soon as you're going to apply. On your left hand side on your dashboard, if you click on marketing tools, gig ads widget, click right here. Here you can search what kind of gigs actually you want to show on your website. You can select a category. I select actually graphic design, and then I simply type here logo design, and I scroll it down and click on apply filters, and it is going to give me all these categories that people when it comes to logo designing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply click on embed code, and this code I add it on the right hand side widget on my website. If someone happens to buy it, I will make an exceptional money by selling Fiverr services on my website, practically doing nothing. Let me show you a simple hack to drive traffic to your Fiverr affiliate link to make money. You can simply go to the question and answering website called Quora, Quara, Quora.com, and create a free account over there. And I simply type in a search bar buying logo designer. How simple it is. And I could see a lot of queries. People is asking, where do I get a logo design? How can I buy a logo design? Where I can buy a magic logo design? Where I can buy a logo design for cheap on the internet? Guys, you can go to each of these questions. You can write a valuable answer to them, helpful answer to them. End of your answer, you can provide a link to their service provider, and if they happen to purchase it with your affiliate link, of course, you are going to make money. This is the one way to do it. But let me tell you something. Do not go and just start spamming your link. Okay, provide a valuable and helpful answer. Click on this question and read some of the answer people has already provided to this guy, and just write down in your own word the simple answer and then provide the link at the end. Okay, so that person can go there and he can actually purchase the logo, and you are the one who can make money. You can portray it, you can put your link down if you provide a helpful answer. As you can see like that, the try Fiverr link in my profile. Okay, this is the Fiverr seller that he's actually providing the helpful answer. Then he's actually give his gig link so he can go and purchase it and he can make money. You guys, you can do the same. Make sure you read some answers, and after that provide the link with your affiliate link to that same logo designer that you want this guy to purchase the logo designing, and you're going to make money. That's the one way to do it. You can do another thing. You're going to go to graphicdesignforum.com, and here a lot of people, the potential buyers, are hanging out here. If you can see that into graphic design category, in journal category, even they are talking design, they are talking about typography, web design, traditional illustration. Most of these people, motion graphics, they are talking and discussing about graphic design. Okay, potentially lot of clients, lot of your potential clients will be hanging out here. You can make a lot of potential sale to your Fiverr Pro services. With the section to be Fiverr affiliate, you can make insane money by providing the animated images on this platform by doing nothing. The software will do all the work for you guys. As you can see there, these people is providing animated images to these people, charging starting from $30. If I click on this link, let's see how much money they are charging. 11 orders in queue, guys. I will animate your image or artwork into an amazing GIF or video. I will show you the software that you can simply get it right now, and the software will do all the work for you. And guess what? What they are offering is absolutely nothing as compared to the software I'm about to introduce you. The basic package, they are charging only $30. I will make GIFs from images you provide. Basic package, they are charging $30, guys. Imagine this. So you can charge a pro package, a silver package, and you can charge more money to animate more than one image for these people. Where you can get animation, how you're going to animate all these images, I'm going to introduce you the software that you will be blown away, will do all the work for you guys. So there is another way you can make exceptional money by providing simply animated images to people as a Fiverr seller. Click underneath the description of this video, guys. This is the software I'm talking about. Get instant access to this software and start providing animated images gig services to the Fiverr seller and dominate the marketplace on demand. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.